James, when we look back over your year, you came into this, hit the ground running. We had a long-term water strategy that was kind of high-centered, and you got aggressive. You contacted the governor's office, and you started making things happen right away. You're very passionate about our community. You're very active. You were concerned about Canterbury and Vine Street and getting things done. And I like your attitude. You're good for the city, and your leadership is exemplary. Thank you for the past year.
Thank you very much. I appreciate this, and I appreciate you guys allowing me to serve for a year, because it is a privilege that the four of you have afforded me. So thank you very much. It was actually a great honor to be able to be mayor that many of you have already experienced. So thank you very much. I'm glad that I was able to survive the year without anybody punching me.
Nobody punched you.
No, nobody.